Hi everyone, I'm Alvin, Business Development Director at Solarvest. Today I'm honored to reflect not just on the completed projects, but on the partnerships that truly matters. Together with Scientex, a company deeply committed to sustainability and community well-being, we successfully installed solar systems across 9 of their manufacturing plants. We have a total capacity of 21,911 kilowatt peak. These systems are expected to generate 27.6 million kilowatt hours of clean energy annually. But beyond the numbers of 27.6 million kilowatt hour, or even the 14,000 tons of CO2 emissions avoided in just the first year, what truly stands out is the shared visions that drive this collaboration. Scientex's legacy of delivering affordable housings and sustainable packaging solutions while embracing responsible environmental practices is something we deeply admire. It's a rare alignment. When two organizations come together not just to deliver a project, but to make a lasting impact. To everyone at Scientex, thank you for placing your trust in us. Your dedications to ESG principles and sustainable growth has made the journey truly meaningful. At Solarvest, we don't just install solar panels, we build long-term partnerships with companies that believe in creating positive change. We are proud to be part of your sustainability journey, and we look forward to continuing these meaningful collaborations in the years ahead.